Hi everyone, today we are making a mozzarella sandwich. It's again a very quick recipe. It will take you 5 minutes to put everything together. It's a very healthy recipe because it uses natural cheese, fresh cheese, and then other ingredients are avocado, so we'll use only half of that. Then 1 tomato, 2 slices of bread. I am taking here sourdough bread, but you can take any bread that you want, whether it's white bread, rye bread or anything. And then we have some leaves, so you can take it you can take only spinach leaves or any other leaves that you want. To make the sandwich, now first we'll make the filling. To start with, I will just first mash half of this avocado. We don't need to add anything in this avocado, so we will just take half part of it and mash it. We have mashed avocado ready, and we will just add a little bit of salt in it. It is optional. If you need it, then add it. If you don't, then feel free to skip it. For next step, I will just cut a few slices of tomato to add in the sandwich. I think probably. Okay, I'll cut all of them and then use them. So essentially now we have everything ready. We just need to assemble everything. You can toast the bread if you want for a few seconds, but I like the sandwich without toasting the bread. So what I will do is I will start with spreading the mashed avocado on one side of the slice. After this, I will add the tomatoes that we have cut. I think probably 4 slices are enough. After this, I will cut a few slices of the mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese that you want, mozzarella, burrata, or cottage cheese, which we call paneer in India, or we can also use tofu. So I'll just add 2 sizes of medium thickness in the sandwich. Interesting thing about this cheese is that you need to store it in water and consume immediately if you are using a fresh cheese, which I would recommend. And then I will just add the leaves that we had in the start. And we have our sandwich ready. So it has become a very thick sandwich, but you can cut it into different pieces or eat it as it is. So here we have the sandwich ready. Now just eat it and enjoy.